In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find great bargains on Amazon by navigating through today's deals. Whether you're looking to snag some discounted items or simply want to browse and see what's on sale, this guide will make it simple and straightforward. First, you'll need to head over to Amazon's website. Open your preferred web browser and type in www.amazon.com. Once you hit enter, you'll be directed to the home page, which is filled with everything from suggested products to curated lists based on your previous shopping habits. But today, we will focus specifically on how to find those great deals. Now that you're on the Amazon homepage, it's time to sign in. Look towards the upper right-hand corner of the screen, and you'll see the Sign In button. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to enter your login information, your email or phone number, along with the password associated with your Amazon account. If you have two-step verification enabled, be prepared to receive a security code to complete the login process. Logging in ensures that all deals you'll see are available in your region, and it also makes checking out a breeze since your shipping information is already in place. Once you're signed in, the real fun can begin. To find today's deals, keep an eye out for the link in the top navigation bar on the homepage. It's usually listed prominently so you can't miss it. Click on Today's Deals, and you'll be taken to a page showcasing all the products currently on discount. This section features a wide array of items, and the deals are updated regularly, so there's always something new to discover. As you browse through the discounted items, you'll notice that each product has clear labels indicating the original price and the discount applied. It's a great way to quickly assess the savings and see if a particular deal grabs your attention. If you find an item you like, you can click on it to get more detailed information, such as product specifications and customer reviews, which can be incredibly helpful for making an informed purchase. Once you've made your decision and you're ready to buy, add the item to your cart by clicking the Add to Cart button, conveniently placed beneath the product details. Feel free also to continue browsing the deals if you're looking for multiple items. When you're ready to finalize your purchases, move on to Checkout by clicking on your shopping cart in the top right corner of the page. This will lead you to a summary of all items in your cart, where you can review your selections, adjust quantities if necessary, and ensure everything is in order before completing your purchase. Simply follow the prompts to proceed with the checkout process. And before you know it, those great deals will be on their way to you. That's it. Now you know how to effectively use Amazon's Today's Deals to find fantastic discounts on a wide range of products. Happy shopping?